Hey everyone, so I have a huge haul for you. It's so big that I can't even get it in a single frame of my camera. So this is a haul that I've been gathering since I'd say October. So it's a lot of stuff. First, I want to show off these three blue lock acrylic figures, and these are my three favorite characters. It's Nagi, Isagi, and Chigiri. So I got three of my favorite characters, and it has like their signatures on it. So I was super excited to get that. And then I got a couple of Nendoroids. So I got the Anya, the Lloyd, and the Yor Forger. So we got the whole family. And then I also got the Shield Hero as well, because it's one of my favorite animes. And I also got Komi-san from Komi-san Can't Communicate. I also got this wotakoi manga set, and my friend got it for me because I was always on the fence on it, but she got it for me as a birthday gift. Also, that's not on the screen, we have a couple of Chokorins. So we have the Cells at Work Chokorin set. We have the Spy Family Chokorin set. And we also have the Haikyuu Chokorin set. I also got this one, which is the Chiikawa Snap Mides. I'm super excited because they're like Polaroid sets, and it's N-Sky. There's 48 different kinds to collect, but I think I only get 30 in a single box, so we won't get the whole set. But I'm excited for these. Another thing I got is the Blue Lock Clear Card set. And I believe this is the only time I'm going to get a clear card set from now on. I've decided to kind of stay away from clear cards, and if anything, I'll do the metallic cards and the wafers. But I do have one more clear card set coming in, but this is the Blue Lock Series 1, the official one. We have this set of Mochi Mochis, and these are mini Mochi Mochis. It is Haikyuu. I honestly bought this thinking that it would be the regular kind, but when I saw the box, I saw how tiny it was, and I'm like, something's off. And these are the mini Mochi Mochis. I didn't even know they had a size difference, but they're like 2/3 the size of a regular Mochi Mochi. So we're not going to open any of the blind boxes. Those will be in separate videos, and I'll probably open the forgers in a separate video as well. But let's open these guys. I'm super excited to open these guys. They've been sitting on my desk for a while. So it looks like it's a two-part acrylic stand. Here's the little pentagon stand. And here is Chigiri. He looks so good. Here he is. And now we gotta put in the signature. So this set, everyone's holding a pen. So it looks like their signature, and this is kind of like a movie title screen or like a phone recording screen. Here it is. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Yeah, I like the fact that the screen is a couple of spaces away from Chigiri, so it kind of gives a really cool like depth effect. Let's do Nagi next. Here's Nagi. Look at that. I like his signature a lot. That kind of cursive style. Last one, we have Isagi. So Nagi and Isagi both have Nendoroids coming out, like towards the middle of the year. And I may or may not have already pre-ordered those. If they make Chigiri, which I'm sure they will, I'm done for. But those are my 3 main favorite characters, and I don't have anyone else so far, so I think we should be good. Here's Isagi in his green stand. They just look so good together. My favorite group of 3 right here. They look so good together. I'm so happy I got them. So, this is my miniature haul like video. We will have lots of videos, as you can see, lots of different weeb hauls going on. We're gonna open up our Nendoroids, we gotta open up our Chokorins in different sets, we have our cards, we have the mochis, lots to do, lots to do. So be excited, and I will catch you all next time.